You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. Today we're talking about retirement relocations that often involve full households rather than minimal moves. This means furniture, artwork, heirlooms, and sometimes vehicles have to be transported safely across the Atlantic. First, protecting furniture during ocean transit. Furniture faces several risks during international shipping: long ocean transit times, humidity changes, container movement during storms, and port handling during loading and unloading. Professional packing crews wrap each item individually and secure everything inside the container to prevent shifting during transport. This preparation significantly reduces damage risk. Next, shipping artwork and antiques. Artwork requires additional protection and documentation. Painting, sculptures, collectible items are usually packed inside custom wooden crates designed to absorb vibration and protect against moisture. Specialized artwork shipping services ensure fragile items travel safely. Accurate declarations are also essential because Italy has strict protections. Shipping a vehicle. Some retirees choose to ship a car, particularly if the vehicle is newer or personally meaningful. Vehicles must meet several requirements: owned and used for at least 6 months, proper ownership documentation, compliance with European vehicle standards. The method that we use is containerized vehicles shipping alongside your household goods. This offers the best protection. Insurance coverage should also be reviewed carefully when shipping vehicles internationally. Marine insurance protects shipments against unexpected events during ocean transit. For retirees transporting valuable possessions, insurance provides essential peace of mind. Moving overseas doesn't have to feel overwhelming. Our team coordinates packing, shipping, custom documentation, and delivery from door to door. Give us a call today to speak with an international moving expert about your relocation to Italy.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.